I'm revealing 5 free Framer templates that are absolute game changers for your business, from portfolios to real estate to everything in between, that you won't want to miss. And the very last one is probably one of my favorites, and I am blown away that it is actually free. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, David here. I have helped launch over 300 websites for different size companies across the board. And these templates here, as soon as I saw them, I was like, these are phenomenal and I can't believe they are free. By the end of this video, you're gonna know which template to pick. But right before we begin, I do wanna make mention of this. All the links will be down below, plus a special promo code to get a discount. I partnered with Framer on this to get you a discount on your first year's subscription. So make sure you check out the links down below if you fall in love with any of these templates, plus grab the promo code. All right, let's start with number 1, Atoma. First up, we have a template from the team at Clonify. If you're looking to make a bold and modern statement, Atoma delivers. This template is beautiful in the dark mode aesthetic. It is a really clean site from top to bottom, and the animations are just next level. It's designed with crisp fonts, and its look and feel with the micro animations when you hover are a game changer. I personally love the text animation and how the text appears once you load the page. This template is going to be fantastic if you are a tech startup, a creative agency, or any business that wants a project that has a modern, cutting-edge feel. I really appreciate on this template the balance between it feels like a software company, feels modern, but at the same time can be applicable to a lot of different companies. And if this is your style, you could probably get started with the site, get the template, and launch the site all in the same day. Which leads us to number 2, Prolific. This is one that my team did for fun. We crafted this as a way to kind of emulate what kit.com has, but create it into a one-page website experience that is beautiful from top to bottom. What really makes this template stand out is its clean, professional, and versatile design. Whether you are a social media agency, a SaaS company, or a modern brand, agency, service, or business, you can use this template to get started today. It's an excellent starting point, and honestly, if you launch with this look and feel, you add in your own colors, your own fonts, your own content, you're gonna look like a professional right away. All you need to do is replace your logo, replace the content, and you have a site ready to go live. And when we built this template, we actually used the structure of one of our client websites alongside inspiration from Kit, married those two to create this template, and that was a way that we were able to really get value, because we know Kit is a beautiful design website and obviously they crush it in business, but the site that we built for the course for one of our clients, they've done millions in revenue from it. And so we married the structure. So if you are launching a course, again, a social media agency or any of the above, this is a great starting point. I love all the sections. I love the flow. I love the experience, and you could expand on it really easily. If you want to add in more sections, you want to remove some sections, you could do a lot with this template today. And this is going to lead us to number 3, which is called Refit. Refit is a template specifically designed for service-based businesses. If you take a look at it, you probably would say, oh, this is just for real estate. But I imagine if you are a service-based business in any category and you want to appeal to an audience of, let's say, honestly, any audience, but let's say you're really targeting 35 plus, this is going to be a great template because it's going to look very professional, sleek, but not too modern where it feels almost as if it's too young. If you are trying to appeal to an audience of, say, 45, 55-year-old people, this is going to be a great template to start, and you don't need to be in real estate to leverage this. Few things I love about this template. It really is great at showcasing your services, projects, and testimonials in a clear, trustworthy, and engaging way. And it's just so clean in the design from top to bottom. As you scroll through, you could slide through images with ease. It's just a beautiful site to show off your offering and have people who land on your site take action. So I'd recommend this if you're a contractor, if you're a renovation expert, interior designer, consultant, or honestly any service provider. This site and template is going to be a great starting point for you to get started today. What I really like about this template too is even how it shows off stats, and it's just clean. The design is really, really elegant. And for most businesses, this is gonna just cover all the core needs you have, from homepage, service page, FAQ, and contact. You have everything you need as you get started. Now, our fourth template is called Vista Haven. This is made for the luxury real estate experience, and I think it is a bit limited in that way, but what I would say is, because these are all free, you could potentially start with one of them and use some inspiration from other ones, or potentially copy sections over. There are some limitations there, or in branding it might get a little confusing, but you could potentially use other sections on sites like this for your site. Now, Vista Haven does a really good job of showcasing properties, but they use a very modern and sleek, trendy design of these inverted corners. So rounded corners are really cool, but this inverted rounded corner is something that is hitting the internet right now, and not everybody has it. So it is a special, unique type of design that you could literally get for free today. If you're in real estate, you literally have everything you need to get started. And if you're not in real estate, you may have to shift and adjust some of the content to fit your needs. What really sticks out to me is how it just features really beautiful, expansive imagery and galleries so that you could show off listings or whatever you may need to show off with imagery. This template is going to do a great job of giving you a lot of space to aesthetically be clean and luxurious. And if you are a real estate agent and you're starting with this honestly may be like a game changer for you, because it'll make you look so professional and put together, and you could literally build this on a Saturday with a nice cup of coffee. And this leads us to number 5. It's called Billy, and you may have seen this on the internet before, but this is a very immersive portfolio experience. If you're a creative, a designer, an artist, or an agency looking to make an unforgettable first impression, Billy is your template to start. This isn't just a portfolio, honestly, it's an immersive experience. And it is one of the most popular templates in the Framer marketplace. The sleek design, sophisticated elements, and unique, captivating hover effects make this site one of its own. And if you are a creative and you have beautiful work to show off, this is gonna make your site look like an absolute delight. You put in your branding and elements, the beautiful work that you do, whatever that is, artistry, illustrator, whatever it is, you add that into a site like this, and you might not be a web developer or coder or anything, you end up with a delightful, enriching experience of your brand that once you build it, you got it, you don't gotta think twice about it, and you can move forward knowing that your brand and all your work is shown off well on your website. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 free Framer website templates that you could choose for your business today. Again, all those links are down below. Getting started is so easy. You just click, remix it, start your account, and you start building your site. In a few minutes, you could start getting content in there. In a few hours, you could have all the pages designed. And honestly, by the end of the day, you could have your site live. Let me know in the comments down below which template you decide to go with. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.